I don't know, I can't get this.
Hello?
If it was at night, you could see smoke better, but this camera, I don't know. As far as I can zoom out. Go ahead, Dad. See if I can keep up with him. Should have just kept going.
No, you don't want to run it the first time. That's the time to time.
Yeah, it is.
You got to bring it in a little bit.
Yeah, he drives.
Drivers, modified time, listen up. We are not going to run a dash to cash tonight. We want to get the cars running before the temperature gets too cold. By running round one will be the best reaction time in the second time trial session. The best reaction time in the second time trial session will be the
But you said he wasn't going the whole way.
So, we do not want to run a dash to cash. We're going to get too cold.